And we're going to try and put the train body assembly together with some of the finishing touches. Of course, decoration can happen later. Here we go.
And of course, most of the joints are just dowels.
All down jointed.
And some of them are housing joints.
Simple tools are needed, that's all. Great fun little project this. You can add extra engine detail on like that, which my son's not sure whether it makes it look better or not, but let's gather around. Shed hacks.
Yeah.
Shed hacks.
Disassembly.
And you can even take the overriders off the wheels as well. All down together. Shed hacks.
This is shed hacks assembling the train. Now this train isn't a ride-on train, but it is still quite a big train to make.
A mixture of housing joints and dowel joints. Quite easily really. Bit of careful marking out of course.
Yeah.
You can make this in about 6 or 7 hours probably. The hinge part is an optional detail.
And you can even put stuff in like that.
Shed hacks.